after 12 o'clock. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm hoping that we can get this 300 broke down and this LS engine broke down. The goal is just to get this 300 so I can move it around easier. And the LS, I want to see if any bearings are bad. Because the goal is, if no bearings are bad, we're going to slap her back together after sending it to the machine shop to get cleaned, and a new bore. We're going to take it from a 5.3 to a 5.7 with some new pistons and rods. So I'm going to get this camera set up somewhere, and we are going to start taking bolts out of this 300. Alright, let's go.
On today's episode of White People Doing Shit That Shouldn't Be Done But It Looks Pretty Cool Anyway, we have a man making a fucking death machine out of a bicycle for traction. Notice here it's not sharp enough, so he's going to sharpen it.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this pan off and see what the inside looks like. Hopefully it's good. And then we'll finish turning down the rest of the motor. So with a little movie magic, we'll have this pan off like... What surprises are in here? Yeah. So, apparently Mr. Mouse was getting ready to make himself a house. But like, other than that, engine is super clean looking. I'm pretty happy. I'm going to have to assume that this is like a fresh rebuild. Because like, I did get this from a machine shop. Because like, look, there's not even anything in that pickup. The pickup looks clean. So, cool. All right, let's get rid of this mess. So yeah, not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Well, that's odd. This is the front of the motor, right? That's one. Two. But it's marked 3. None of the rest are marked. Alright, well, I think we'll get this pickup off. And we'll get her on our side. And we'll start taking these pistons out. You guys probably can't see that. I mean, there's a little wear, but like, I still see the coating. There's no copper. These bearings look pretty new. These bearings is brand new, so good deal. Alright, now we're going to do the other ones real fast. Same way. The bad way. Alright, rods are out, bearings look brand new. We're probably going to reuse them after everything gets cleaned up. Next we're going to pull out the crank and probably the cam, see if there's any lifters in the block. I can't really tell from here. So we're going to flip this thing up on its deck and go about getting that out. So yeah, let's go. Some of them are definitely loose. Brand new, fellas. Oh, there she goes. Oh. I would say there's not much runtime on this thing. Only bearing of wear is this one. Went through the coating, I think. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Looks good. Let's see if we can get this cam out. Alright, so cam is out, and you'll have to trust me. The cam bearings look just as good as the mains and rods. So, and the lifters are down in there, so I gotta go find a magnet. We gotta fish them all out, and I'm gonna mark them so they go back in the right holes when the thing goes back together. So yeah, let's go find a magnet. Good luck there, huh? Well, that was a lot easier than fishing them out. Alright fellas, we're gonna end this one right here, I think. Motor's all torn apart. Everything looked great. These lifters look like they've barely been ran, so that's cool. But there's the head sitting on top. Give you kind of an idea of what it's gonna look like. And I gotta mess with this saw a little bit, get it lined up and get that clamp opened up enough to hold the head. But we'll have that cut here real soon. But until next time, fellas, this is Tall Garage. Out.